Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to fix camera not working in Oppo F33 Pro. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.